What's up, YouTube? Bomber here again. So, I still have a couple cabinet doors to do, but there's a big problem. That spray gun I was using, I tell you, learn from my mistakes. Go with the roller and paintbrush. Look at the mess I made. It sprinkled everything all over. It sprinkled the shelves, the stuff I have on the shelves, the shoes, everything. It just got all over the place. I had a feeling something like this was gonna happen. I mean, look, it pebbled up our travel bag. So, again, go with the paintbrush and roller, okay? Don't use a spray gun unless you go and cover everything up and leave only a little square for you. So this is the thing. I've been telling you guys about Purple Power, how I use it on everything. So I went on ahead and I poured some Purple Power on the floor. And I want to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about when I talk about Purple Power. You just pour it on there. You let it soak in for a little bit. And keep in mind, I am using, like I said, the Purple Power, and I'm using a sponge. And I'm going to use a sponge to do this. And, you know, you let it sit there for a little bit, like I said. Okay, let's go over here to this area. And look, I want you to see how easily it brings it up. So you put it on there, you let it soak, and it'll just start cleaning everything right up. So if you decided to go with a spray gun, and this is your outcome, well, your answer is Purple Power, honestly. Now, one of the reasons why I like to talk about that product, like I said, is because me personally, I use it on everything. You guys just saw me painting in my garage. I uploaded some videos for you guys, and this is the mess it created. And putting some Purple Power on the floor and using this little sponge, got to let it soak in a little bit more, but using a little sponge really brought it up. Now, I was going to use, as a matter of fact, I think I have something like a scuff pad. Something that'll actually help. Yeah, here you go. This is just a regular scuff pad. You can buy some of these over at Home Depot as well. So you can set that right on your sponge. And let's see how that one works. Good, it brings it right up. You see that? So yeah, so you want to end up covering your floor with that stuff, and well, it just added something else to do to the list. Upside to it, I'm going to have a very clean garage floor. Well, thank you guys for tuning in. This is just a little short video. I want to show you guys the aftermath of what the spray gun did, and not a good idea. I noticed this when I came out to refinish everything. I opened the door and everything, and I noticed that my floor was covered in white. Not good. So, roller and paintbrush. Okay? I still got some to do, but before I get to those, I got to clean this floor because my wife saw it and it wasn't pretty. Nope. Okay, well, thank you guys for tuning in again. And, I hope you guys learned a lesson by my mistake, to be honest with you. So, thanks. Dads can do it TV. And guess what my wife said? Dad can clean the garage. So, I'm going to get to it, guys. Thanks again for tuning in. Catch you guys later. All right, everybody. Just want to show you guys. I actually got my garage floor back. It's nice and clean all over again. There's no paint. Those are part of the design specs that go on the floor, so I don't want you to think it's paint, but this is what Purple Power did. It got my whole floor nice, clean, and shiny all over again. So just wanted to share this with you guys. Got my floor back. Took about 2 hours. But like I said, Purple Power really picks everything up. And now I gotta finish the doors. So I'm gonna paper my floor up this time. So catch you guys later. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So now everything is dry, everything is done. I personally think it came out really, really great. You know, I put a lot of effort into it and it shows. I didn't get lazy, and you can tell because the quality of the work actually came out really, really good. So I have some doors and drawers for you guys already. You know, I'm gonna go on ahead and I'm gonna start putting my kitchen back together. I hope you guys found my videos useful, and I really hope that you guys save as much money as I did. I know I haven't gave you guys an exact number as to what I spent, but believe me, it's gonna be a very surprising number. Okay, so just bear with me a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna mount one of these doors for you guys. I'll put a couple drawers in so you guys can kind of get a look as to how it's gonna turn out. So remember I told you guys when I took them off, I labeled everything with a number, because that's what's gonna make it easy to find. So this is the thing. I have door number 15 with my hardware for that door, and this is door number 5 with my hardware for this door. So everything that's in here goes to this door to be able to hang it. So this is the part that's going to make the process very simple, because I'm not going to be rummaging through anything to try and find out what goes where. It's already separated. It's ready to go. Okay, so we're going to go on ahead and mount this door. As you can see, I put it face down. It's perfectly fine. Like I said, if you did your work correctly, you will be good. You don't have to worry about it. It's had plenty of dry time. You know, I let it dry a little bit more than I guess needed. So I just wanted to be sure that it was going to be 100% dry. And if you're using a power tool, please get familiar with it. You know, I mean, you don't want to strip these screws or strip the wood. You hear that one pop basically tells you it made it to where it needs to make it. I dropped the screw, sorry. It doesn't want to come out. They're so small. But okay, so, and then we're going to go on ahead and mount this door. You're going to open your latches so you have plenty of room. You're going to come over here and you are going to line it up with where it goes. Open them too much, I guess, so just adjust them to where you need them. Set your door up there. Use your forearm to help hold it in place. If you have someone to help you put these doors on, please do. Get some help. Don't try to do it by yourself. It's not always as easy as it looks. But for some people it may be. Okay, dropped another screw. Here we go. Look for that little hole. And there you go. So that's what it's gonna end up looking like, you know, once the door is hung. I did buy some little, I want to call them stoppers, and what those are is some little black buttons that you put on the inside of the doors. You put one right in the bottom corner, one in the top corner, so you don't get that noise when you close it. It closes nice and quiet. So again, we have the drawers right here too, so let me take this paper off. I feel like a little kid opening a Christmas present. I was really looking forward to this little facelift on my kitchen. I was really excited about it when I started, and I'm even more excited now that I'm reaching the end. So now I gotta remember where these go because I didn't mark the drawers. That one fits there. So let me see what other drawers I have at hand. Mark your drawers too, put numbers on them. That's where I messed up. I didn't put numbers on them. And the reason it got this paper on it is because the drawers, the face got done, as well as the back. Like I said, you know, you want your work to look really good, so make sure you get it done right. That one goes there. Can't wait to see what it's gonna look like once it's all put together. I don't think that one goes there. So now I gotta find out which drawer goes where. Found it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up right here. As soon as I'm done, I'll get back on and I'm gonna let you guys see what the final outcome is. Again, thanks for tuning in. I hope my videos have been a big help for you in giving your kitchen a small facelift simply just by doing your cabinets. You guys can see the difference. So once it's completely done, I'll get back on here and show you guys everything and let you guys know what's up, okay? So thanks again for tuning in. Dad's Can Do It TV. I appreciate you guys' time. And please, man, hit me up and let me know how it went for you. Subscribe, hit those buttons, hit the notification button, because we're going to be doing a lot of other upgrades around the house. Well, at least I hope so. I just have to get the okay from the wife. So, yeah, so I'll see you guys again very soon. Thanks for tuning in.